Hey everyone, this tutorial will cover several areas of Progress Learning and our new Launchpad. In order to access your account, you'll need to go directly to ClassLink. Once inside, you can go to Progress Learning. Once you're inside of Progress Learning, you'll notice that you have a new dashboard, and it does look different than what you've seen before. You can bring it out to the side so you can see your menu options a little bit easier, but they're also in this front area as well. And if you'll see right away, because you used ClassLink to access Progress Learning, it automatically syncs your classes. Now if you'll notice here, mine have pending setup on top of them. So that's letting you know that, hey, it's brought in my class, but it's waiting for a few extra steps from me in order to be verified. So let's take a look and see how that works. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Physics. You'll see you have several options. Number one, you can rename your class if you choose to. You can also specify the time if you want to as well. You'll see that your students are loaded. You're welcome to check your roster to make sure that's correct, but you'll see they're inside of there. You'll see your teacher self as well. When you come down to subjects, you'll see it's in red, telling me there's something else I need to do. So we'll click on subjects. You'll see no subject, no record is found. So I'll need to add a subject. Here's where I have a large selection of different areas to choose from. Middle school English, math, science, social studies by grade level. And in high school, we have English, math, science, and social studies as well. But just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose physical science. I'm going to click add. It's going to ask for a confirmation, and you simply click OK. Now I have successfully added a subject to that specific class, and now my class is essentially ready to go. It's at this point in time I can move on to the next step. Now that your classroom is set up, or your class is ready to go, and you've confirmed the information with the subject, you'll see that your students are here, but what I do want you to notice is you will see some logins, you'll see their grade, but if you're familiar with the previous program, you'll say Test Prep, most of our students had the same or a similar password. However, with the new merger of the program, syncing and the new platform that they're using, it has changed. So if I click on a student, you'll see their last name dot first name, and you'll also see a new password that's usually a little bit more complicated than what they're used to. Now you also have the option to print password cards for your students. It provides not only the account ID, but their username, grade, password, and the website they can type in. However, remember we want all students to use ClassLink instead to get to the actual program. So it's only an emergency situation where you'd want them to go to the website. Please have them use ClassLink.